Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Bank of America account aggregation for taxes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Bank of America and press enter. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Account Management section. Look for an option labeled Account Aggregation or Connected Accounts. Click on the Account Aggregation option to access the settings. Review the list of accounts that are currently aggregated. Identify the accounts you wish to disconnect or uninstall. Select the option to remove or disconnect these accounts. Follow any prompts that appear to confirm the disconnection. After confirming, check that the accounts are no longer listed under Account Aggregation. Next, log out of your Bank of America account. If you are using any third-party tax software, open that software. Find the Settings or Preferences section within your tax software. Look for any linked Bank of America accounts under the aggregation settings. Remove or unlink any Bank of America accounts if they are still connected. Make sure to save any changes made in the tax software. Finally, close your browser and tax software to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.